66 million years ago, Earth was a world ruled by giants.
Far beyond the skies of ancient Earth, a silent threat was already closing in.
An asteroid over 10 kilometers wide hurtled toward the planet, faster than the speed of sound.
Life continued, unaware that time was running out.
In a single moment, everything changed. The largest impact Earth had seen in millions of years.
Tsunamis swept the planet, erasing coastlines and everything in their path.
Earth itself shook apart, tearing forests and plains asunder.
Fire rained from the sky, consuming forests and plains alike.
The sun disappeared, plunging Earth into darkness.
Temperatures collapsed worldwide, plunging the planet into a deadly chill.
Even the mightiest could not survive the harsh new world.
Within months, dinosaurs were gone, leaving Earth silent and empty.
But life found a way to begin again, small and fragile, yet resilient.
Over time, Earth began to heal. The skies cleared, rivers flowed, and life slowly returned.
Small mammals thrived in the New World, taking the first steps toward life as we know it today.
As the skies cleared, sunlight returned, illuminating a world beginning to heal.
New life sprouted from the ashes, a green world beginning to bloom again.
Mammals flourished among the new vegetation, beginning a new chapter in Earth's story. Birds and flying reptiles reclaimed the skies, signaling the revival of life. Rivers and wetlands teemed with life once more, shaping the new world.
Flowering plants spread across the land, painting the world with new colors.
Small mammals explored these blossoming forests, discovering new opportunities in a changed world.
Rivers teemed with life once more, as fish and amphibians returned to their waters.
Birds nested in trees, and insects multiplied, restoring the balance of nature.
Mammals explored flowering plants, finding food and shelter in the recovering world.
Small mammals scurried among plants, hunting insects and avoiding predators in the new forests.
Predator and prey returned to the forests, re-establishing the balance of nature.
Around rivers and streams, mammals and birds interacted, sharing the recovering world.
Mammals and reptiles now shared the forest floor, each finding a role in the restored balance of life.